Hi and welcome to another review on mbrTech YouTube channel. I'm back after a few months of pause with another Sudio product for today's review. The model on the test is Tretton in black color. These in-ear wireless earphones will be most useful for people who are looking for good earphones for sport activities. If you want to buy them, all the links will be in the description with a discount code for you. Let's start with the unboxing to see what Sudio prepared for us this time. As always, the whole package is looking simple and premium, and they care about unboxing experience a lot. We can see a lot of information already on the box, but we won't discuss it right now. As we open the box, we can see earphones on top and one white box with accessories. Right now we will open the white box to check what is inside it. Okay, here we have a leather box for easier carrying around. This is always a good thing when you buy earphones, even if you won't use it that much, but it will save earphone cables and overall condition. It is made of leather and it makes these earphones even more premium. The next thing in the box is micro USB cable for charging these earphones. Charging process is easy, just plug it in as any other device and charging will start. To fully charge them, you will need about 2 hours, and that will give you about 9 hours of playtime and 10 days on standby. LED indicators will show you the status of charging. Next thing in the box is user manual with all the instructions, and there is also warranty certificate which gives you 1 year of warranty, and that is not bad at all. This warranty card shows how they care about the quality of their products and reputation from their users. The last thing in the box is a small package with a cable clip and 3 different sized ear tips, 4 in total including the ones on the earphones. You can change ear tips easily to fit your ears better. It is really fast process. These tips are very well designed against falling from ears, which makes these earphones very usable for sport activities. That's it for this unboxing. You can check Sudio social network pages if you want to get more info about this brand. Let's get back to the earphones. The design of Tretton is looking a little bit boring to me. It is not because Tretton is looking bad or something like that, only because it is already seen and it doesn't stand out against other earphones. The build quality is mostly plastic, but the quality one, and there is some soft rubber on the top of all parts. The overall design is nice and quality is fine, but nothing special or super premium, but you must consider the price of these. Also, you need to consider the sweat-proof design, and that is probably the reason why they use this design and materials. For me, the quality is still great. There is also 3-button controller, so you don't need to turn on your device every time to play or stop music, change tracks or change volume. Everything is packed very well and you can't be disappointed. Everything you need is here. To connect these earphones, you need to press the button in the center and hold it until you see the red light blinking if you are pairing them for the first time. Then just go to the Bluetooth menu on your device, find the Tretton and connect. Sudio included APT-X technology in Tretton to improve and make even more stable Bluetooth connection. After successful connection, I have inserted earphones in my ears, and the feel is really good. Because of its lightweight design and comfortable ear tips, they fit very well and I'm impressed. Now I will just play the music on my device and enjoy the great sounds coming from Tretton earphones. Thank you for watching my review. Don't forget to check out the links in the description and to use the discount code if you want to buy them.